All right, I hope you're sincerely digging this theme stuff here. Now, where can we go to get additional themes? Well, as it turns out, there is a massive community online that goes about either creating themes or promoting themes that others have created. I mean, there's thousands of themes available for WordPress. And if you want, you can even get into creating your own if you wish. It's very cool stuff. Now, most themes are free. Sometimes, though, there are commercially available themes that you may stumble upon. So, if you find something that you really, really like, maybe it's worth shelling out a few bucks for it, right? So, here's what I'm going to do. I want to show you where you can go to find even more themes. I'm going to go back to the admin tab here inside Firefox. I just hit Command 1 or Control 1 there on the Windows side to fire back into the admin interface here. And what I can do is I can go and explore more WordPress themes from within the cuddly confines of the WordPress admin interface, which is awesome. So we don't have to go anywhere, which is cool. What I'm going to do is underneath Appearance there on the left-hand side, I'm going to click on Add New Themes. Go ahead and do the same on your side. And what I can do here is I could go and search for a theme based on a keyword or the author name or a tag if I want. So maybe I could type in, I don't know, 3-column green or something like that, right? And you can go and see if you can pull back any search results there. Or what I can do, if I scroll down just a little bit here, is I can use what's referred to as the feature filter. Find a theme based on specific features. Cool. So what I could do is I could say, all right, I'm really only interested in silver themes, or I'm really only interested in themes that are brown and yellow, right? Something like this. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say black, and then below that, how many columns? 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, and so on. I'm going to go 2 columns with a right sidebar. The width, I want a fixed width theme. And then any additional features here. Custom header, micro formats, theme options. You get the idea here, right? You can come in and kind of decide what you want here. Subject, holiday, photo blogging, or seasonal. Well, I'm going to leave those blank, and I'm just going to click on Find Themes. And let's see what we get back here. All right, here we are. Now we are rocking. So what we get back is a huge array of themes that are available here. So I have one here called Black Letterhead, for example. What else do we have in here? Trace Simple, Brain Power. Let's say Brain Power, for example. I'm looking at Brain Power. That's kind of cool. A Little Anatomy and Physiology with your theme design by Art House Web Design. Well, I can click on Preview, and again, I get this pop-up window with some dummy content in here, a dummy post with a dummy date and so on. But I can get a really good sense of what this theme actually looks like, how it behaves, how it looks, this kind of idea, right? And I go, that's kind of cool. I don't mind that, but I'm not sure that's exactly what I want to use. So what I'll do is I'll click on the Close button here in the top left corner, and maybe I'll go and find another one here. So maybe the Grunge Wall, for example. I'll go and preview that guy there. And again, same idea here. You get that grungy kind of photo in the background of the header there, background of the sidebar titles, this sort of thing. But I'm not sure I like that pink there. Well, I could go and change that, I suppose, if I wanted to, but I'm going to go and close out of that one. I'm sure you get the idea here. You come in here, you preview a few, you kind of see what's what, right? And then you find one that you want to use. I want to use this Black Letterhead. Black Letterhead is a 2-column minimalistic theme with a black background. Sounds cool. Let's preview that guy. Get an idea of what he looks like. I'm really liking the fonts that are used. I love the contrast of the orange and the black. I'm digging it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close out of this guy just by clicking on the X in the top left corner again. And then what I'll do is I'll click on Install. Go ahead and do the same there. And what happens is you get this little pop-up here with the little thumbnail there of the theme and so on. And we have Install Now. So go ahead and click on Install Now. What's really awesome here is WordPress does all the heavy lifting. It goes out, it grabs the theme, it downloads it. You can see here, it unpacks it into your WordPress directory. It installs the theme for you. And then it says, successfully installed the theme Black Letterhead 1.5, and then I can preview it, activate it, or return to my theme installer. Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back under Appearance, there on the left, back into Themes, because I want to show you something here. There's the current theme, which we all know about, and then there's the Black Letterhead. It's been installed, but it hasn't been activated yet. So it's kind of on standby, if you will. It's ready to go if we want to use it, but we haven't actually applied it to our live blog yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Activate link there just below the thumbnail. WordPress does its thing. New theme activated there at the top in the yellow bar. I'll head back to my preview tab. Let's refresh Command R or Control R. There it is. Jeff's Sweet Rockin' Flash blog. And now my blog, although it doesn't have much in the way of content in terms of posts and so on, is now under the control of the theme that you and I just installed. So that's how easy it is to change the look and feel of your blog entirely. It's really simple stuff. So I'm sure you'll want to spend some time on this. All we did again is we went down underneath Appearance, add new themes. You can do a search if you want, or we use the feature filter. I'll do this again real quick for you. We'll do, say, blue and brown. Well, those colors really go well together, huh? Blue and green, and we'll do a 1-column flexible width. Anyway, you get the idea here. Throw in your options, find themes, and then we get some results back. Here I only got 3 back. And then all we did is we found one that we liked, we installed it, and then we activated it. That's all there is to it. It's super easy, and as you can see, the results that we get are super awesome.